These are real gadgets people are already testing, reviewing, and obsessing over on YouTube right now. Some of them look simple, some of them look insane, but all of them have one thing in common. Once you see them, it's very hard to unsee them. And by the time 2026 fully hits, these gadgets won't feel optional anymore. Let's start counting down. Number 12. Smart AI Desk Lamp. At first glance, this looks like a normal desk lamp. Then you realize it's doing way more than just lighting your room. This lamp adjusts brightness and color temperature automatically based on the time of day, reducing eye strain without you touching a single button. It reacts to your posture, your screen light, and even ambient noise. Some models sync with productivity apps and gently remind you to take breaks. Tech reviewers love it because it quietly improves focus without being distracting. It's one of those gadgets you forget about until you try working without it. Number 11. Pocket Thermal Camera for Phones. This tiny attachment turns your smartphone into a thermal vision device. It plugs directly into your phone and instantly shows heat signatures in real time. You can use it to find insulation leaks, overheated electronics, or even track animals at night. Creators are using it for home inspections, car diagnostics, and survival content. What makes it cool is how accessible it is. Thermal vision used to cost thousands. Now it fits in your pocket and works with an app. Number 10. Smart Ring Health Tracker. Smart rings are quietly replacing bulky fitness watches. This one tracks heart rate, sleep quality, stress levels, blood oxygen, and body temperature, all without a screen. You just wear it and forget about it. The data syncs to your phone and gives clean, easy-to-read health insights. People love it because it looks normal and doesn't scream tech gadget. It's perfect for people who want health tracking without notifications buzzing every 5 minutes. Number 9. Portable AI Voice Recorder. This gadget looks like a small button, but it records crystal clear audio and instantly converts speech into text using AI. Meetings, lectures, interviews, random ideas. Everything gets saved and organized automatically. Some models even summarize conversations for you. Content creators use it to capture ideas on the go. Students use it for lectures. Professionals use it to avoid taking notes. It's one of those tools that feels boring until you realize how often you'd actually use it. Number 8. Self-cleaning water bottle. This isn't just a water bottle. It uses UVC light to clean itself and the water inside, killing bacteria without chemicals. You charge it once and it keeps working for weeks. Travelers swear by it, especially for long trips or questionable water sources. Even if you're just commuting or going to the gym, it saves you from that weird bottle smell no one talks about. Clean water, zero effort. Number 7. Smart AR Translation Glasses. These look like normal glasses, but they quietly translate the world around you. When someone speaks a different language, subtitles appear in your field of view in real time. Street signs, menus, and documents can be translated just by looking at them. People are testing these in airports, markets, and foreign cities, and the results feel unreal. The battery lasts all day, and most models pair with your phone for updates. For travelers, remote workers, or anyone dealing with multiple languages, this gadget feels like a real-life superpower. Number 6. Foldable wireless keyboard with touchpad. This keyboard folds small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, but when opened, it becomes a full typing setup with a built-in touchpad. It connects instantly to phones, tablets, and laptops. Tech lovers love it for travel setups and minimalist desk builds. It's perfect for replying to emails, editing documents, or even light coding on the go. The keys feel surprisingly good for something so compact. Once you use it, typing on a phone screen feels painfully slow. Number 5. AI-powered smart door lock. This smart lock goes beyond fingerprints and passcodes. It uses AI to recognize trusted faces and unlock automatically, while alerting you if someone unfamiliar is at your door. You can grant temporary access to guests, delivery drivers, or cleaners from your phone. Reviewers highlight how fast and reliable the recognition has become. It logs every entry and exit, so you always know what's happening at home. It turns your front door into a silent security system that works in the background. Number 4. Wearable Air Purifier Necklace. This gadget looks like a simple necklace, but it creates a small bubble of clean air around your face using ionization technology. It's designed for crowded places like trains, flights, or offices. People test it in polluted cities and packed subways. While it won't replace a full mask in extreme conditions, it noticeably reduces dust, pollen, and odors. It's especially popular with commuters and allergy sufferers who want protection without covering their face. Number 3. Smart Indoor Security Camera with Local AI. This isn't your typical security camera that constantly sends footage to the cloud. This one uses local AI, meaning it processes video directly on the device. It can tell the difference between people, pets, and random movement without sending everything to external servers. Reviewers love testing how accurately it ignores pets while still catching real intrusions. It also works offline, which is huge for privacy-focused users. Night vision is sharp, audio is clear, and alerts are fast. It feels less like surveillance and more like quiet awareness in your home. Number 2. Mini Smart Projector for any surface. This palm-sized projector turns any wall, ceiling, or even tent fabric into a screen. It has built-in streaming apps, wireless screen mirroring, and autofocus that adjusts instantly when you move it. YouTubers use it for movie nights, travel setups, and even gaming. The brightness is impressive for its size, and the speakers are surprisingly loud. What makes it special is how easy it is to use. No cables, no setup stress. You just place it down, turn it on, and suddenly any space feels bigger and more immersive. Number 1. AI Smart Glasses with Hands-Free Assistant. These glasses look normal, but they quietly change how you interact with tech. They let you take photos, record short videos, listen to audio, and talk to an AI assistant without pulling out your phone. You control everything with voice or subtle gestures. Creators are using them for daily vlogs, workouts, and walking tours. They read notifications aloud, give directions, and answer questions in real time. It feels strange at first, then quickly becomes natural. Once you get used to it, using a phone suddenly feels slow. These gadgets aren't flashy for no reason. They're designed to blend into daily life, quietly doing things you didn't realize you needed. And as 2026 gets closer, it's clear that the future of tech isn't about bigger screens or louder features. It's about tools that work in the background, making everyday life smoother without demanding attention.